Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhanisa Septriza. My identity number is 21150616060. Okay, and here I will explain some question and answer as a substitute for the mid-semester exam. The first about preposition of place in on at. Maybe I will explain about preposition the first. Okay, next. Okay, this is when we use at. At is used with a very exact place, thing, small building. Example, at the door, at the hospital, and at school. Something specific will always be at. But at is used when we have an address with a number. Example, I live at 13 Green Street. Okay, the next we use on with streets and avenues. Example, I live on a park avenues. On is always with the street. We use on with words that represent a surface, for example, on a table and on the floor. Okay, the next when we talk about something bigger than the street, we use the preposition in. We use in with part of the town. Example, I live in London and we are having lunch in Chinatown. And we use in to talk about closed space, something that has a roof, something has walls. For example, in a car and in a box. The sentence is, can you please help me find a pen in this box? Like that. So the next in is used with means of transportation where you cannot stand up, but on is used with means of transportation where you can stand up. Example, on a bus and in a car. Okay, back the question. Number one, the coffee, blah, 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 a battle. The answer is in because we use in to talk about closed space, something that has a roof and something as walls, like a battle. And number two, Zara live blah 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 Green Street number 28. The answer is at because something specific would always be at, but at is used when we have an address with a number, like the street number 28. And next, number 3, we can use blah 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 to describe a very specific point or place. Okay, the answer is at because when we use at is used a very exact placing small building. Example, at the door, at the hospital, and at the school. Something specific will always be at, but at is used when we have an address with a number. Example, oh, I live at 13 Green Street. Okay, next number 5. Number 4. I live blah 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 Indonesian blah 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 Cendrawasih Street. Okay, the answer is I live in Indonesia on Cendrawasih Street. Because when we talk about something bigger than the street, we use the preposition in, and we use in with parts of country, and we use on with streets and venues. The next number 5, Mara is having dinner blah 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 Korean. The answer is in because when we talk about something bigger than the street, we use the preposition in. Okay. Number 6, Indonesian celebrate Children's Day, blah blah blah, the July 23. The answer is on because this preposition is used when you want to describe a specific day, like celebrate children is specific day. Okay, next number 7. My mother was born blah 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 1972. The answer is in because in for time markers in years, centuries, and long period. Okay, the next number 8. Risa put the apple blah 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 on the table. This table. The question is on. And next number 9. Tono is sleeping blah 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 the sofa. The answer is on because we use on with words that represent a surface. The next, can you please help me find a pen blah 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 this box? Okay, the answer is in because we used in to talk about close space, something that has a roof, something as walls, like the box, space something that has a roof and something walls. Number 11, Jendi does not know about a birthday surprise that was prepared for, so the possessive adjective is her. The next number 12, please take blah 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 sauce off before entering the room. The question is your because this is imperative sentence, so the answer is your. The next number, okay, the next, Asra and Willie go to school by bus every day, blah blah blah. Little brother goes to school by train because his school is so far away from the city. The the answer is there because personal pronouns Asri and Willy same the day and possessive adjective from personal pronouns is there. The next, Dana just bought a used blah 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 car has manual locks. In the question, Dana is man, so the personal pronouns is he and the possessive adjective his. Next, I love swimming. Sometimes I go to public swimming pool with blah 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 my family. Okay, in this sentence, I love swimming. And the subject pronouns I and possessive adjective from I is mine. And the next number 16. The question is look at the dog. Blah 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 eyes are blue. The answer is it's because okay number 16. Look at the dog. Eyes are blue. The question is it. And 17. Manda has a pencil. Blah 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 pencil case is new. The question is her. Okay, the next about plural. Plural nouns are nouns that refer to more than one person, place, or thing. The next number 18. The question, he has many collection of watch or watches. And the answer, watch, the back is E and S. The next number, I put two big potato or potatoes in the lunch box. The answer is potato. The bag is E and S, potatoes. The next number 20. The question is, there are some flower or flowers in my garden. So the answer is flowers because more than one. The next number is this album consists of 10 songs. The answer is songs. And the next we can reach the location after passing to cities or city. The answer is cities. The back is E and S. The next number 23. I have one apple and five grapes or grape. So the grapes more than one. The answer is grapes. The next, there are many baby or babies in the hospital. The answer is babies. The next question, number 25. Two cats or catties are on the roof. The answer is cats. The next, I bought some chairs or chairs. The answer is chairs. The next, number 27, I need some coins or coin for the vending machine. The answer is coins. The next, I got 7 fish or fishes from fishing today. The answer is fishes. The next, 29, I'm learning a lot of new words or words. The answer is words. And the next question, I know a lot of grammars or grammar. The answer is grammars. The next question words, number 31, blah 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 writes this book. So the answer is who because question word who is used to ask someone or design designed to someone. Next, 32, blah 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 do you live? The answer is where because used to refer to a place or location. The next number 33, blah 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 do you love me? The answer is why because used to ask for a reason. The next number the next question 34, blah pencil do you buy? Uh, the answer is which because used to ask when a choice is made. The next blah 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 laptop is this. The answer is whose because used to ask to ownership. The next number 36, did you do last night? The answer is what because used to refer to specific for information. The next blah 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 often do you speak English at home? The answer is how because describe the way or thing is done. And the next, blah 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 was the last time you ate noodles. The answer is when because ask the time. Okay, the next we have eaten our cake already. Mm, the answer is present perfect tense because present perfect tense is stating or expressing a past event that is still continue until now. The next, I have been studying for 2 hours. Um, the answer is present perfect continuous tense because it's a form of verb or tense to express an action that has been completed at some point in the past. Present perfect. continuous tense. Okay, the next, they went to Malang last week. The answer is simple past tense. The next, I was sleeping when you phoned me. The, the answer is the past continuous tense because it's used to describe event that took place simulation in the past. Okay, the next, my sister had studied English. The answer is past perfect tense because states that an event or action was completed at some point in the past. Okay, the next about verbs. The next number, the baby, blah blah blah, make every morning. The answer is drinks. The next, the mosque, blah blah blah, very beautiful. The answer is okay. The next number 50. Okay, the next, the question is they blah 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 read every day. The answer is it. The next, we blah 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 the best friends, and the answer is are. And the last one, blah 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 your teacher. The answer is. Okay, that's is all. Thank you for attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.